Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to use the binomial distribution to predict on the probabilities of a customer service. So we've got a practice question that we're going to go over. And this practice question is, on average, 80% of customers arriving at a store make a purchase. If 15 customers visit the store, what is the probability that exactly 10 customers make a purchase? So what we're going to do in order to answer this question is we're going to write a program in Python, and we're going to import Python scientific library SciPy in order to execute the program. So from scipy.stats, we're going to import binom. So SciPy is Python's scientific library. Stats is a statistical module within SciPy. And binomial is the distribution that we're going to be making to make these calculations. So we're going to set up the parameters of the binomial distribution. So n equals 15. That's the number of customers visiting. And probability is 0.8. That's the success of making a purchase. And k equals 10. That's the number of successes that we want to see. So we're going to calculate the probability of exactly k successes as probability equals binom.pmf. That's probability mass function, brackets, k equals 10, comma, n equals 15, comma, and p equals 0.8. And then we're going to print the probability that exactly 10 customers makes a purchase out of 15 is approximately 10.32%. And then so we have another question. What is the probability that at least 12 customers make a purchase? And this is going to be the survival function. And we talked about the survival function in previous videos, but we will go ahead and go through it. So we're going to import scipy.stats and import binom, which is the binomial distribution. We set up the parameters for the binomial distribution is n equals 15. That's the number of trials or customers visiting the store. P equals 0.8. That's the probability of a customer making a purchase. And k equals 12. So we're going to calculate the cumulative probability of x is less than or equal to 11. So probability at least 12 equals 1 minus binom CDF, brackets, k equals 12, comma, n equals 15, comma, p equals 0.8. But there's also another one. And then the other one for the survival function is prob least 12 equals binom.sf, brackets, k equals 12, comma, n equals 15, comma, p equals 0.8. And then so what we're going to do is we're going to print down here. And then we're going to run it again to make sure that the CDF and the SF functions are both in the same cell of code. So you can see that you have a 39.8% probability that at least 8 customers make a purchase out of 15. And then also with the survival function, you also have 39.8% as well. So that's just telling you that 1 minus binom.cdf is the same as binom.sf. So we're going to go ahead and delete this because it's not necessary. And so basically, that concludes this video. The next video is going to be on another binomial distribution, and I hope that you decide to watch it.